After your Raspberry Pi boots up, go to the Raspberry Pi menu and open a text editor. Copy the following text from the description of the video. Edit the URL with the URL of the website that you'd like to display when the Raspberry Pi boots up. Save the file to a known location. Right-click on the file and click on Properties. Copy the location of the file. Open a terminal window and type out the following command. Make a new line and type @bash space and then paste the location of the file. Add a slash, then type out the name of the file you've just made. Change the URL to the website link. To test to see if your file is working, open a terminal window and type bash and then your file location. The kiosk should now open showing your website. Press Alt F4 to exit out of the kiosk. Reboot your Raspberry Pi to check everything is working. After the Pi reboots, it should take about 10 to 15 seconds for the Chromium Kiosk to open. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.